So the first step is to see as leaders how we are bringing in more and more women in the ecosystem. As the audience as well as the team gets a little diverse, different thought processes emerge, and then we can work towards a more equitable and equal ecosystem. If you are confident, if you are competent, and you're willing to take the challenge and go ahead in life, real estate is no different from any other sector. And let me now take my posit forward. Since, as Pawan said, I've had the privilege of working in non-real estate environment also, it's not as different as it is in other parts of the business ecosystem. The most important thing is to dispel the notion of a negative perception. You know what happens? Anything which has to do with brick and mortar, anything which has to do with metals and minerals, which is hardwired, historically the society dissuades women from entering there. So it is important for us and the audience to collaborate and understand it is no different. It is as good as any other sector. Yes, there are sites, but there are sites in manufacturing companies also. Yes, there are different types of people. I can tell you, even in the financial world, there will be different types of people. So the challenge, the first and foremost challenge, is the perception which we have created about real estate, and that's the notion we need to break heavily. And here we are, all of us sitting, talking to you. We have, in our own humble way, tried to break that notion, tried to work towards and push. And the second thing which I would like to say is the leadership ecosystem in a real estate company. As there are more men, I don't think the men are not wanting to, but they may not have the wherewithal to understand and empathize with women folk at large. And they may be happy to, but they may not be able to. So the first step is to see as leaders how we are bringing in more and more women in the ecosystem. As the audience as well as the team gets a little diverse, different thought processes emerge, and then we can work towards a more equitable and equal ecosystem. And I can assure you, people in the short run may feel if you are a woman, you are not as capable. If you come in, show your capability, be confident and comfortable around you, people warm up to people who are good and competent. And I have seen that, and I'm sure the other two ladies will vouch for it, that we have risen to where we are because of these qualities. So I would exhort that don't get dissuaded by real estate from outside. And on a lighter note, women are very good homemakers. What is real estate about? It is about building homes, building spaces which we occupy, whether work or home or a factory. So we are just born to work there. And I think Pawan mentioned about some of the innovations which women were not credited for. In the post-COVID world, the art of empathetic design of spaces is becoming very, very crucial. And if you are an architect, and you need not be Sophia Hedden, I'm sure if you are competent and confident, you will get your place under the sun.